CSGO? Are you a gamer? Then you definitely know about CS2. CS2 is the latest version of the Counter-Strike, which now run on the limited test mode. That means some users have the access to play. So why it's necessary to launch? First of all, it is ready on Source 2 game engine. It comes with lots of new features, better gaming experience, better visual effects. It's completely like a new generation of this game. The community is pretty hyped about Source 2. The reason is that the engine brings better physics to the virtual world. Basically, everything feels more realistic in Source 2. The visuals are more better. The engine brings cross platform support. For the developers, Source 2 is just a modern tool to implement the various game ideas. Players do not need to dive into the technical comparisons. Source 2 games feel and perform better. Now see this article, how to get Counter-Strike to beta limited test access. Here in this article of Talkie Sports, you can find to participate in CS2 limited test, you have to receive an invitation. Only those who receive an invitation can try out the beta version of Counter-Strike 2. There is no other way to get the early access. That means it's random choice. If you have access, then go for it. Then another article is CS2 skins can be carried over to Counter-Strike 2. So there is no worry of your skins. All of your skins can be carried over to Counter-Strike 2. So open the game if you have access, then enjoy the game. In the world of online, this is one of the biggest name, Counter-Strike. Many college students and many players participated many competition and own lot of prize. Many have made the career on this game. Some of famous game players and the teams are Simple, Kenny Ace, Oldsminster, and the teams are G2, Navi, and FaZe. One of the biggest online competition major CSGO held every year. This time it is held in Paris and this is the last major on CSGO. Then every major competition after it will only CS2. Here, in this article, you find French President Emmanuel Macron reveals 2023 CSGO major will be hosted in Paris. So this is basically the last major play on CSGO. Now, gamers are shifted towards CS2. This is not the just liking. For some, this is the passion. Become a good CSGO player and made lot of earnings on that. So CS2 not only give you just an opportunity to become a good gamer, but also give you the equal opportunity to earn the money. Some of the glitches are there, but new CS2 will completely revamp the existing CSGO and it will give a good gaming experience to all gaming users. Thank you for watching this analysis video on